Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add a PayPal payment gateway to a Webflow website. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I am on this reputable website known as flow.ninja. So making a simple connection between PayPal and Webflow is the easier part of integrating the service. So basically you have to use flow.ninja. So the first step is to open your Webflow site and connect the PayPal in Webflow Designer. After that, just go to the settings and find e-commerce settings there in the tab, and then just go to payments tab and click connect PayPal. You'll be prompted to log in into your PayPal account to confirm this connection. After that, you have to add the PayPal button to your site easily. This can be done through the Webflow Designer tool, and then you can just start selling and start accepting payments from PayPal. So this is how you integrate PayPal payment gateway to your Webflow website. So if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.